Jai Sriman Dasharatha Maharaj now asking, "O Sumantra, go ahead and bring my Rama inside now." Then Sumantra went outside and slowly bringing Sitamma, Lakshmana and Sri Ramachandra Swami into the palace of Dasharatha Maharaju. Now Sumantra is bringing Sitamma, Ramachandra Swami, Lakshmana Swami inside the palace of Dasharatha Maharaju. Rama is walking towards Dasharatha Maharaju. Dasharatha Maharaju staring at Ramachandra Swami. Rama holding, putting his hands together with so much of humbleness and gentleness. He is walking towards Dasharatha Maharaju. Dasharatha Maharaju immediately, with so much of grief, while crying, got up from the Simhasanam and running towards Ramachandra Swami to reach Ramachandra Swami, to hug Ramachandra Swami. But before he even reaches Rama, Dasharatha Maharaju fell down and got fainted. From other side, Rama and Lakshmana, both of them are running towards Dasharatha Maharaju, and they are hurrying up to come to Dasharatha Maharaju. While seeing that kind of scene, all the mothers started crying loudly with their cry, with their grief, with their all the ornaments that they are wearing, all that sound getting vibrated, getting spreaded all over the palace. Everybody started crying. Rama and Lakshmana ran towards Dasharatha Maharaju. Tam parishvajya bahubhyam Tavubhau Rama Lakshmanau. Rama and Lakshmana slowly taking Dasharatha Maharaju into their hands, and both of them gave a tight hug to their father Dasharatha Maharaju. Sitamma, Rama, Lakshmana, three of them are crying loudly while hugging Dasharatha Maharaju and slowly putting Dasharatha Maharaju on the bed. While they are putting Dasharatha Maharaju on the bed, Dasharatha Maharaju coming into senses and again looking at Ramachandra Swami with so much of grief. Then Rama is saying that, "Oh Raja, oh my dear father, you are the king of this entire kingdom. Please give me permission. Please order me now. I have to go to Dandakaranyam. Pasya tvam kusale namam." Oh my dear father, please bless me. Also please wish me the best. Like that, when Rama started saying, Dasharatha Maharaju crying a lot. Rama is saying that, "Oh my dear father, Lakshmana, your other son Lakshmana, your daughter-in-law Sita, both of them are wanting to come along with me. I am saying no, but they are not listening. So they are also joining. So please give permission to three of us to go to Dandakaranyam." Like this, Rama saying that, and also said, "Oh my dear father, please stop crying. No crying at all now onwards. Let me go to Dandakaranyam." Then Dasharatha Maharaju saying that, "Oh Rama." While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, Rama Rama Dasharatha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least 1 Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.